Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Crews clean up after historic snowstorm. Tough travel on roads. Up to 3 feet of snow falls in some places. Snow piled high in New Hampshire on Thursday morning, with some communities getting as much as 2 to 3 feet of snow. Heavy bands of snow brought 2 to 4 inches of snow per hour at times, making driving hazardous. Plows were out on New Hampshire roads starting early in the morning. Transportation officials urge people to stay home. Anyone who needed to be out on the roads was urged to drive carefully. Give yourself plenty of time to get where you need to go, said the spokeswoman of the Department of Transportation. Even if it says 45 miles per hour, but the safest speed is 20, that's what you do. Slow down. Take your time. Give yourself plenty of distance between vehicles and just be safe. A DOT plow truck rolled over on I-89 in Grantham, and a plow truck was sent off the road on Route 2 in Gorham after it was struck by a tractor-trailer. State police said no one was injured. State police said they responded to more than 260 crashes since 10 p.m. Wednesday night. A crash shut down an on-ramp on to I-89 in Bow for about an hour after a driver lost control and struck a utility pole. Governor Chris Sununu said the Emergency Operations Center was open to monitor the storm. He said that with so many schools closed for the day, a lot of children would be out playing in the snow, something that drivers should watch out for. He also urged Granite Staters to look out for their neighbors. If you have neighbors or loved ones, check in on them, Sununu said. Make sure they're doing okay during the storm. He said more than 500 pieces of equipment were working on state roads. The spokeswoman said it takes a plow about 90 minutes to complete its route, and at the rate of the snow was falling, a significant amount of snow could build up on the road before the plow can take another pass at it. State health officials announced that state COVID-19 testing sites would not open Thursday. Anyone with an appointment would be rescheduled. The storm was expected to be the most intense in southern and central New Hampshire through noon Thursday. And that does it for this news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night and goodbye, everyone.